Okay, we're making a video. And see if Audrey will roll over like she just did. Now that the camera's on, there's a lot of pressure. There's a lot of pressure. Show us what you can do.
Oh.
You're almost there. Oh, there we go. You did it. Uh-oh, Audrey.
You didn't crush your arm as much as usual.
We gotta watch you now. You gotta do it again? We gotta flip you over. Okay. Show us. Yeah! You got your feet.
Uh-oh. Get at it.
There we go.
Oh, man.
Uh-oh. Oh, just kidding.
Bored.
I gotta do it right. Now you're just gonna fall asleep. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh, now what?
Hey, you're stuck.
See ya. Bye-bye.